What's going on, kids? LA Nick, back in Minnesota. It's a beautiful day here today. It's like 58. Snow's starting to melt. Be able to ride here soon. But I'm in Minnesota, so I'm at Sport Wheels and looking through crates. Hey, look at that. That's a Benelli motor with the head on sideways. I don't think I've ever seen that motor here. Find something new every time you come. I'm sure it's toast, but anyway, looking for parts. If you need any parts, if you exhausted all your possibilities and you can't find what you're looking for, it's probably here, because there's a lot here. 9 acres. And all the stuff under this lean tube, it's all good stuff. I mean, I'll show you. I was climb up on one of these crates here. Here, I'll climb up right here. It looks like a stepping stool to me. I mean, all these crates. No one's probably been in this crate in years. Like years and years. Whoops. Ugh. Almost fell. I see a Suzuki taillight. Oh, look at that. Not even cracked. And 0 rust. That's just dirt. That's nice chrome under there. Early 70s Suzuki taillight. Some headlight buckets. See if I can climb over this way. The Suzuki dirt bike tank, swing arms, another swing arm. Ooh, what do we got in here? Looks like some old Honda front ends. God, there's so much stuff buried here. Uh-oh, I'm sinking in the pile. Sinking in the pile. Need any cylinders, heads, triple trees. Oh, almost fell. Let me get off this pile because it's too much. So much stuff, man. Endless stuff. Parts. It's a lot of parts, a lot of mud right now too, because all the snow's melting. I'm standing here and the water's bubbling up. Well, this is just an ice skating rink here, because the sun doesn't hit here. Can't even walk. Look at that, all new, brand new drag specialty brackets. Where do they fit? Don't know. But there's a lot of them. If you see anything you need or can identify, I can identify a lot of stuff, but not that much. Whoa, very slippery. Oh, KE pipe. All right, I'm gonna have to get off this ice because I can literally not even stand on it. Maybe if I go in here, walk the edge. This is why Sport Wheels isn't open in the winter to the public, because this ice could kill somebody. There's that little motor right there. Neat little motor. And that's a threaded on exhaust, Suzuki. I don't know, but I'm guessing it's a Suzuki. I need to get inside here so I'm not walking on the ice. Lucky I'm skinny. I can fit through these holes. There, that's better. See anything that you can't live without. If you can't live without it, you let me know. Send me a message and I'll look for something that you need. I know what that is. That's a Can-Am tank. Looks to be in pretty decent shape too. Alright guys, I will shoot video if I see anything cool. See ya.